It's a very, very good day. Hey! It's a good day. It's a good day. It's a very, very good day.
Good morning, everybody. Good morning, Sophia. Can you say hello, people audience?
Good morning, Pokios.
Pokios. Pokios? What are you talking about? But anyway, so we were supposed to get 18 to 24 inches as of yesterday. It got dramatically reduced. Still a lot. I really don't know. I'm gonna guess it's probably close to a foot. But anyway, that's just how it looks. As you can tell, it's still snowing quite a bit. Looks pretty cool, I'll tell you that much. What? Sophia, our snowman, is covered. He's gone. He's covered with all new fresh powder. Powderonians. You gonna look for our snowman? Snowman's gone, little girl. There's a little tiny lump. A little tiny lump somewhere there, but yeah. Snowman go bye-bye.
Why is someone going bye-bye?
I don't know. It didn't snow too much, therefore Liz actually got into work. I think no problem. I mean, it probably was annoying a little bit, but she's at work. I'm hoping she's not going to have trouble getting home now because it's been snowing non-stop since she left. So I hope, I'm sure traveling home will be annoying. But we'll see. What the heck are you doing? Are you a baby?
Yeah.
You look like a baby doing that, little girl. Oh my goodness. So I was just washing dishes and I kind of dropped like a dish in the sink as I was washing it. And Sophia's like, don't make noise while I'm coloring. Really?
Yeah, because I'm coming.
Did I disturb you?
Yeah, because that was loud.
I know. But really?
Yeah,
What is that?
a balloon.
Oh, it is a balloon,
I
huh?
cut it wet because
Because.
the gut is holding it and catching it.
Oh, okay. Makes sense now. So my washing machine under temperature is hot, warm, cold, and tap cold. Anybody know what the difference between tap cold and cold is? Let me know in the comments, please. OMG, you guys. Remember when Sophia ate dirt? In that episode, we planted, like, I think it's forget-me-nots. Look, they're coming up. Soph, did you see these? Look, there's like 5 in there. Isn't
There
that-
were like 5 flowers in
Yeah, isn't that cool?
Remember, I was watching videos and I eat the dirt.
Yeah. Was it delicious?
Yeah, delicious. And I did get some water.
So what do you think about the snow?
So it's on the handle.
On the handle?
Right there, right there.
Okay. You mean the handrail?
Yeah, because you can't open it and because there's sun on it.
Do you like the snow?
I do.
How much snow did we get?
What the snow today?
Do you think it's like a foot?
Mhm.
A foot?
Yeah, what one?
What color is the snow?
White.
What do you do with the snow? What's it for?
Clean and working and build a snowman with it.
What else can you do with snow?
Dip my gloves in it.
Anything else?
I can dip a carrot nose in it and hands and arms and bellies and face and noses
Is
and
snow
lips and ears and
is snow really?
and ears and head.
I get the point. I get the point. All body parts. What is snow?
very cold for my hands.
What is it?
That's all.
Just snow?
Yeah.
Simple enough.
Because I can walk in there with my shoes and boots.
So if you like that style of video where I sit down with Sophia and we talk and there's subtitles and it's fun and funny, I actually recorded 2 videos. The first one I think is close to 15 minutes. The second one's like 8 minutes or something like that. They're in queue for days that I don't want to record a daily vlog. They're in queue to be set to release. I don't know if I told you that, but it's actually a really fun series to do. It's a lot of work to edit because of all the subtitles. But, oh, it's fun. Oh, it's fun. And you have fun doing it too, right? Yeah. Anyway, lunchtime for that little girl. Then it's nap time and shower time for daddy. And it's, what time is it? It's like 12:30. And snow is kind of tapering off a little bit. Still snowing, but it's less than before. I seriously can't understand or believe that you're asking to take a nap right now. Is this real life? Is this real life? You want to take a nap?
No.
You've been telling me that you've been wanting to take a nap. And he says nap time. Nap time, Daddy.
Nap. Nappies.
Nap time.
Good night. Good night. Good night. Nice sleep, Daddy.
You telling me to have a nice sleep? Or you? Alright, I'll see you in a little bit, okay?
Okay.
Love you.